Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified each time I upload. Today's video is a different type of video. I am collabing with Lily from Rio Nails Dip Company, and I'm doing a first impressions / review type of video of the products that she graciously sent me. Right off the bat, with opening the jars that she sent me 4 different colors. The colors are gorgeous. The glitters that are in these dip powders are absolutely stunning. As you'll see in a second, I'm going to swatch each color for you, and then towards the end of the video, I'm actually going to do a mani with a couple of the colors. They are just absolutely stunning. I was so impressed with the consistency of the powders. They're not thick. A lot of dip powders, you have to do 2 or 3 coats just to get the opacity that you're looking for. Really and truly, with these powders, you could do 1 coat and be perfectly fine. I'm going to let you finish watching me swatch these colors, and I will be back shortly for the mani. Okay, so I'm not gone. I wanted to tell you real quick, swatching from left to right, the colors are Galaxy Orchid, which is a beautiful purple with flakes. Next is Seafoam, which is a glitter that has almost like diamond shape glitters in it. It's really, really pretty. Olive Quartz, and I believe I'm saying this right, Crysocolla, I believe is how it's pronounced, which is also another glitter that has chunky blue and silver mixed into it. Another really beautiful glitter. Okay, so now I'll let you finish watching as I activate, and I'll be back for the mani. Okay, starting with the mani part of it, I used UNT Peel Base. I'll link everything in the description box below for you. I always use a peel base just because I change out my manis so often. I did also really want to use a solid color with this mani because I chose to use the 2 color glitters. I chose Jade from Risen Legacy to add to the mani, which paired perfect. They just go so good together. And of course, I spill dip powder. It wouldn't be a mani that I did if I didn't spill dip powder. If you see the cloth on my table moving or little fingers, sorry, my 3-year-old decided he did not want to go to bed. He wanted to play with my swatches. Sorry. I feel Lily with Rio Nails has done an awesome job with this product. I will definitely be purchasing from her. This powder is just, it goes on like butter. It's so awesome. I highly, highly, highly recommend this powder. I heard a lot of good things about her products, which is one of the main reasons why I reached out to her. Because I was really interested in trying the powders and being able to give you an honest review. So again, thank you, Lily, for collabing with me on this. This was a really fun mani. I do really like your products. I will leave all of her information listed below and the colors that I used in the description box. I pretty much just continued my mani as normal, going through and capping with clear, just like I do any other mani. Activating, and doing my filing and everything. I did leave that in the video for you. I also do have other videos on my channel that are made just for like filing. If you're interested, I can leave that in the cards above so you can check that out. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking out my videos. Please, if you have not, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like and leave me a comment. It really helps me out. And as always, again, I thank you and hope to see you in my next video. Thanks again.